Hey everyone, today I visited the White House in Washington DC, the capital of the United States. Just standing outside the historical building felt surreal. Known for its beautiful neoclassical architecture, the White House has been the residence of US President for over 200 years. It was incredible to think about all important decisions made within those walls. Walking around, I could feel the weight of history, from Truman Balcony to iconic North Lawn. Every part of the White House tells a story.
Kasi gusto na foto beda, lo kumuha ka beda, mag surreal. That side, that side.
Although we couldn't go inside, seeing it up close was a powerful reminder of America's history and its role on global stage. If you are in Washington DC, don't miss out on this landmark. It's definitely worth a visit. Thank you and have a great day.